I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody. It seems like anything Google can change to make harder, they'll definitely change it to make it harder or more difficult to use. For example, YouTube Studio. We went from the classic YouTube Studio to the current one that's still sort of in beta, but they're trying to force everybody over to it, and it's a big mess. Another example would be Google Chrome's print functionality. Used to be when you click print, things were very simple. But now when you click print and you want to customize anything, you gotta make extra clicks now. So we're going to click print on this calendar. And you can see destination. It tells me it's going to send it to my brother printer. Pages all. Copies 1. Layout landscape. Used to be you didn't have to click more settings to get all this stuff here. So now if I want to change this to be double-sided, now I have to click more settings, print on both sides. Used to be that was on the main panel. You didn't have to click more settings to do that. Another example. Let's say I don't want to print this little thing down here. I'm going to actually turn this off for a moment because I don't need two-sided on this. But let's say, for example, I don't want to print this little bitty thing here. Used to be I would just type in, you would have the pages right there. Instead of saying all, you would just have a number, and you could change it. You would just type in 1, and this will go away. Now I click custom, and now I get the option that used to be, yeah, this right here used to be on the main panel. Why, Google? Seriously? What's the purpose of this? You're pulling a Windows 8 here. I mean, come on. Do you have to make everything difficult? I mean, seriously, come on. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little rant. Thanks for watching. Well, guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's Cube Comp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you for your support.